there, I'm Andrea from Ginger Pips, and today, even though some people may call me this already, today I genuinely am a truly versatile, fantastically tasting banana. Now, some interesting facts about bananas is that they actually float in water. Yes, I have tried this, so we have lots of fun in our house. Did you know that humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas apparently? And this might be why a bunch of bananas is actually officially called a hand and a single banana is called a finger. Now, the biggest hand ever recorded was a massive 243 bananas big. How big is that? It may interest you to know as well that a banana tree is actually classed as a herb and a banana is classed as a berry. Now, just how mixed up is that? The fastest marathon run by a banana, i.e. a man dressed as a banana, was 2 hours 47 minutes. That's really impressive. And it may interest you to know that bananas are actually considered bad luck on a fishing boat. Bananas actually ripen the best if they're harvested when they're green. If you wanted to speed up their ripening, you can seal them in any container, although they do seem to prefer being put in a brown paper bag the best. Banana is actually 75% water as well, but what else do they contain? Well, they have almost no fat in them and they're relatively low in calories. They contain vitamin C, potassium, phosphorus, manganese, copper, vitamin B, the amino acid tryptophan, several different types of fibre, and several different types of antioxidants as well. So what do all of these things do? Well, all of the components together, they help maintain a healthy heart, they help maintain healthy kidney function, they help lower blood pressure, which is all good. A US study has found that bananas actually help lower stroke risk and heart attack risk, which is always good. The fibre in bananas have a number of benefits. They help you keep fuller for longer. They help suppress your appetite. One of the types of fibre helps feed the bacteria in your gut. And the studies have also shown that the other type of fibre in bananas actually helps protect against colon cancer, which is all pretty fantastic. It's official as well, a banana will officially cheer you up. The components in bananas actually go towards helping the body make the happy hormone serotonin, which helps alleviate depression and also helps you sleep, so fantastic here as well. Bananas are also great for a pre and post workout snack due to their carbohydrate content. It's not just the banana itself which actually has some great properties as well. The skin, or the inside of the skin, also really beneficial as well. If you rub the inside of the skin on an insect bite, like a mosquito for example, it will stop the itching. If you rub it on a burn or a scrape, it will reduce the inflammation. You can even clean leather goods with the inside of banana skin. Simply rub it on and wipe it off with a clean cloth. Otherwise you might find that you're attracting stray monkeys. The inside of banana skins is also great for whitening your teeth. So how do we get more of these lovely fruit into our diet? Well, as they are the fourth most popular agricultural crop going after wheat, corn and rice, we're doing pretty well on this score already. Over 10 billion bananas are eaten annually every year, with over half of them being consumed for breakfast. But how would you get more into your diet if you wanted to? Well, banana chips, always great. Fruit leathers, going to be doing loads more videos on this channel for fruit leathers, so subscribe and press the bell button so you don't miss any. Always great for smoothies as well. But also, because they've got a wonderful packaging on them, they can be used as convenient portable snack as well. So that's all from me today about bananas, but we're going to be doing loads more different fruits and telling you the benefits of each of them. So subscribe to the channel, press the big bell button so you don't miss any, and I will see you next time. Bye!